Hi everyone, it's Matthew again. Today is 20th of August 2021. This is our second strategy for today. Don't forget to subscribe to all our channels to watch all the strategies we'll be releasing today, 20th of August 2021. For those who don't have a trading account, we are using the MetaTrader 5. If you don't have a trading account, there's a link to sign up for a free trading account to start trading. I'm going to paste this link in the video description on YouTube. Just check the link again. So once you sign up for the deriv account, all you have to do is to log into the deriv.app. Then you go to the top left corner, you click on this, then you go to mt5, then you go to the real account, then you click on add real account right there, add real account. So your mt5 account will be generated and you have a trading server. So all you need to do is to click on open trade. It will now take you to the MetaTrader web trader interface. So right there. So once this is opened, once you've funded your account, the next step is to go to file at the top left corner, then you go to new chart, you open the Volatility 25 index. Don't forget this option right here, this one click trading will be marked as default. You have to unmark it. Let me mark it for you to see. You can see it's marked, it will be marked as default, so you have to unmark it. Make sure it's unmarked. It's unmarked now. So once you've done that, be ready before we proceed. For those who haven't purchased the TOUCHSCALPER boat, the boat is automated trading boat and it works on both deriv and binary.com. Here are some of the results of the boat. To order the boat, visit www.binary.ctystechnologies.com.ng to order the boat. It's just $9.99 USD. And you can make payments using Bitcoin, web money, perfect money, debit card, bank transfer, and other payment options. The PIPSREAPER boat as well is also automated trading boat and it's just $7.99 USD. It trades on digits. You can see some of the results right there. To order the boat, visit binary pipsreaper.ctystechnologies.com.ng, and don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more upcoming strategies. Here are the links again. This is the link to order the PIPSREAPER boat, and this is the link to order the TOUCHSCALPER boat, and this is the link to sign up for a free trading account for those who don't have a trading account. And these are the links to subscribe to all our YouTube channels. This is the first channel, this is the second channel, and this is the third channel. So we're going to paste all these infos on the in the video description on YouTube. So check the video description on YouTube. So let's get back to the trade. So we've opened the Volatility 25 index trade. So we're going to click on this icon right there. You can see it. Then we're going to go to line chart. We're going to click on line chart. So once we click on line chart, we're going to zoom, press this plus button, press it to the until you see the gray area there. So we are going to click on the buy or the sell right now. Actually, we are not selling here because we've already unmarked the one click option. So we're going to be watching two things. Once this thing is going up, once it's up, we're going to click on sell. This thing must also be going up as well. This line chart movement must also be pushing up. Once it's pushing up, we're going to click on sell. Once it's going down, once it's down at this level, we're going to click on buy. You can see it's down there, so I click on buy. Then I click on OK. So immediately I'm going to click on this close. Actually, I'm not closing the trade, but I want it. You can see that's 3.91, so I've closed the trade there. So I made some money right there. So I'm going to click on buy again. So I have to watch this thing either go down or go up. Once it goes up, we're going to click on sell, and this thing must also be going up. The line chart too must also be going up. You can see as this thing is going up, line chart is also pushing right up. So it's up. I'm going to click on sell there. So I'm going to click on OK, and I'm going to click on close immediately. So once this minus has changed to profit, I'm going to close it. I'm going to take any small profit that I see there. So even if it's $1 or $2, I'm going to close the trade immediately. You can see it's still pushing up. That's profit, but that's too small for me. That's okay. So so 1.73 or so. So we take that one. So you can go on and on and on while using this strategy. You can just go on and on. You can repeat the same step over and over again to make some money. Don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more upcoming strategies. Thanks for watching. Bye.